Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel, Save Green here. And we got some great news. We just actually got notified by Mint Mobile that there's some good news in the horizon for data plans. And that means that the data plans are going up as far as the amount of data that you receive. So if we go to their website, mintmobile.com, you will see that the 6-month plan, the 12-month plan, and we're going to specifically be focusing on the 12-month plan. And the reason is they're so cheap, it really is worth it to just go 12 months. If you've been with a carrier before, like if you were tied to a contract, whether it's AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, it doesn't matter. You know what it's like to be under a contract, and you know that your monthly bill is not cheap. But once you own the phone, coughing up $180 for 12 months or $240 for 12 months or even $300 for 12 months is what most people paid in just a couple months of usage with the other big carriers. So with that, we're going to show you here that the email we received from them tells you just like you see here. We want to make sure your data dreams come true. So the 2 gig plans will be upgraded to 3. The 5 gig plan will be upgraded to 8, and that's the one in the middle. That's really a big jump. And then the 10 gig plan goes up to 12 gigs. So the prices are going to stay the same. Let me see if there's a way I can get that a little bit bigger here. So this will be their new plans effective January 29th of 2019. So the cool thing about it is if you look at the 12-month plans, the cost is not going up. That's the good thing. So they're upping you 1 gig here. They're giving you an extra 3 gigs here for the same price, and here 12 gigs instead of 10 for $25. That stays the same, just like you see it on their website here, okay? So you're going to get more data, but for the same price for the 12-month plan. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean the same thing's going to happen for the other plans. So let's say you don't want to go with 12 months, which I don't know why you wouldn't, but let's say you wanted to go with 6 months or even 3 months. The prices are going to go up in these brackets, the 3-month and the 6-month bracket. So here let's say on the 6 months, you'll be paying $25 for 8 gigs of data. And if we go back to their website, right now you're paying $24 for 5 gigs of data. So that's going up by $1. Here it's $30 for 10 gigs. And here it's going to be $35 for 12 gigs. So those are going up slightly. But again, it really makes sense to just go with the 12-month plan. Cough up the either $180, $240, or $300. Do that once. And for 12 months, you got nothing to worry about. No bills in the mail, nothing like that. And you're good to go for a full 12 months, 365 days. For those prices, depending on how much data you need, 3 gigs of data if you have Wi-Fi and you're not a big internet user. I recommend this to folks that don't have social media on their phones, don't have Facebook, Instagram, or whatever on the phone where you're constantly getting notifications and pictures coming up to your account and opening them. That's a good plan right there, 3 gigs. Somewhere in the middle, now starting the 29th of January, 8 gigs, very good. That's right there in the middle. And then 4 gigs more if you feel you're constantly on the web. 12 gigs nowadays is a lot for most folks. I understand there's unlimited plans, but even those plans that you see that are unlimited out there, and I say quote unquote unlimited, are actually not unlimited, because once you hit 20 gigs, they do slow you down. And in some cases, I think it's Verizon's case, after 22 gigs, they actually shut you down altogether. I'm not sure, but you can look into it. Read the fine print. I always tell all my viewers that send me messages and questions, you have to read the fine print. You just have to. But this is good news. You're going to get more data, and the prices are not going up. So if you have been on the fence and you decide to get on board now, for at least 12 months, you're going to pay the same price. You're going to pay one time the amounts you see in the bottom. That's a wonderful thing. So I just got that in the mail just a few days ago in my email. So expect that to come up very soon. And there we go. Now we're back to a smaller one. It is a great plan, a great company. We've been on them since December of 2017. So you can see that there. As of January 29th, your current plan will automatically go up from 5 gigs to 8 gigs. That's the one I'm currently on right now. And you will see no charge. So your 12-month plan, whenever I have to renew, which is going to be coming up June this year. And again, this starts January 29th. So if you're already on Mint Mobile, you will see that jump happen as far as gigabytes after the 29th. And again, you really can't beat that. Now, Mint Mobile has been lately on the news. You've probably seen their commercials already. So they're up and coming. And all these big guys, big carriers, are going to start looking over their shoulders when you have companies like Mint Mobile competing for their business and getting the same service as you would, let's say, with T-Mobile as far as reception goes, at a fraction of a cost. So Mint Mobile is using T-Mobile's signal. If you don't believe this, then go ahead, look at some of my videos that I just did recently within a couple months ago, and you will see that there's proof in there on the video. There's living proof that you will see that they are using T-Mobile signal. But anyway, I thought I'd bring this out to light because some of you might have not known. If you're not a Mint Mobile customer, you're not getting this email. The Mint Mobile customers are. So let me know in the comments below if you got the email. I'm sure all the customers that are already on Mint Mobile got the email. And what do you think of the upgrade in gigabyte as far as data goes for the $15, $20, and $25 plan? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. Thank you for tuning into our channel, Save Green Here. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And you can also follow us on Twitter, and I will post that handle below, but it's at SaveGreenHere1. Thank you very much.